In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a second brain. A second brain is simply a trusted system outside your head where all your tasks, notes, and ideas live, so you can think clearly and create with less friction. Notion is perfect for this because it lets you build a single hub that captures information, organizes it, and makes it easy to find later. We'll use a pre-built Notion template to get started quickly. A template is a ready-made page you can duplicate into your own workspace. Once duplicated, you'll see interconnected databases for projects, tasks, notes, and resources, all working together. Think of the template as the scaffolding. You'll personalize it as you go. Most second brain setups follow the para method: projects, areas, resources, and archives. Projects are outcomes with a deadline. Areas are ongoing responsibilities you maintain over time. Resources are helpful references. Archives store anything inactive. This structure keeps your workspace clean and your priorities obvious. Open the projects database and create a project for anything you're actively moving forward. Add a clear outcome and a target date. Link related tasks and notes to the project so everything sits in one place. Many templates include a progress property, so you can see what's done and what's left at a glance. In tasks, add due dates, priority, and, if available, recurrence for repeating work. Break bigger tasks into subtasks to reduce overwhelm. Relate tasks to a project or an area so context is always one click away. Use views like today, this week, and waiting to focus your attention without hunting around. Notes are for quick capture and deeper thinking. Save meeting notes, ideas, and drafts here, then tag and relate them to projects or areas. If a note becomes actionable, convert it into a task or link it to a project so it doesn't get lost. Resources hold reference material, articles, templates, checklists, and guides. Add tags and properties so you can filter and sort later. When something is no longer active, move it to archives. You'll keep your workspace lightweight, and everything stays searchable for future use.